had said it at the beginning of this particular election that the contest will be between the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Congress Party in Amethi. And today, whatever results are coming out portrays that projection of the contest in this seat was absolutely correct. No other party seems to have polled that kind of votes and attracted that many voters. So yet again there are around 3.5 lakh votes still to be counted. We are still to get that number from the Election Commission. So a final verdict will only be surmised upon or commented upon after I receive the results.
So do you feel that had you come a little earlier, you would have...
You know, in hindsight, everything is 2020. So I am somebody who never looks behind but looks forward, and I think the way forward is the way on which India has started walking on today. I had said it in Amethi that Amethi hai taiyar ab ki baar Modi Sarkar, and sitting in Amethi I have seen that we've had a decisive mandate from the people of India, and as a Karyakarta, as an office bearer of the Bharatiya Janata Party, this is one of the proudest and one of the most brilliant days that we've had as political activists.
For you personally, has it been a day of mixed emotions?
No, it's been a day of absolute joy and absolute pride. The fact that a man born in a very poor family in a village, through his own hard work and talent, could reach the highest office in the country is a very inspirational journey, and for me that's a moment of celebration.
Have you had any word with him? Have you had any word with him?
What word I have within my family is not for public consumption.
अब तो क्लियर हो गया कि अब सरकार बन रही है। क्या आप उम्मीद कर रही हैं कि कैबिनेट में कोई जगह मिलेगी आपको?
देखिए, ऐसा है कि ये सारे आंकलन लगाने से बेहतर प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी क्या डिसीजन लेते हैं उसका सीधा आप उनसे संपर्क कीजिए और उनसे ये प्रश्न पूछ सकते हैं।
आपने काफ़ी मेहनत की, काफ़ी मतलब जो रहा पूरा करके काफ़ी जोरदार टक्कर दी। अभी आपको भी लग रहा होगा कि नतीजे क्या आने वाले हैं। अभी आप कैसा महसूस कर रही हैं कि जो आपने मेहनत की उसका कितना रिजल्ट दिया है आगे जनता ने?
अभी पूरा रिजल्ट आना बाकी है। मैं इतना ही कहूँगी कि देश भर में एक और बात इसमें जोड़ना चाहूँगी, मैं गोवा प्रदेश की प्रभारी हूँ। इसी प्रभारी के नाते मैं अपनी गोवा की टीम को भी और मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रिकर को विशेष धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ, बधाई देना चाहती हूँ कि भाजपा की ऐतिहासिक जीत में हमने साउथ गोवा की उस चैलेंजिंग सीट को भी जोड़ा है। इसके लिए भी मैं गोवा की पूरी टीम को अपनी ओर से अभिनंदन देती हूँ, बधाई देती हूँ। मैं इतना ही कहूँगी कि आज की जो जीत है भाजपा की, वो एक ऐतिहासिक जीत है। हमारे राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष राजनाथ सिंह जी ने कहा है कि इस जीत को एक जिम्मेदारी के रूप में हमने स्वीकार किया है, और जिम्मेदारी इस बात की है कि देश ने चाहा था कि विकास और सुशासन का एक दौर आए देश में, जो नरेंद्र भाई के नेतृत्व में आएगा।
The results today prove the fact that there is a non-Gandhi vote in Amethi, quite a substantial one, which has gone in your favor. Now, are you in a sense encouraged with that response? Will you be back in 2019 to once again contest?
I will only say this: I'm here today, and I shall be here every time Amethi needs me. I have promised not only my presence but also my desire to represent all the challenges that the people of Amethi face. But since a decisive decision has not been taken yet, I think it would be premature to comment on the verdict as such as of now. Thank you.